Hello everyone, I'm Kantan Ramnanamga again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to handle something so simple. It is called mail merging. Mail merging makes our life easy and simpler by making it easier when you are sending a message or like a letter. It can be an invitation letter, it can be a certificate, and then you want to send the same document to different people. So it is time consuming to send one letter to each and everyone. So it is very time consuming to write this letter to Ramla, you write the next letter to Nadia, you write the next letter to Sabra. It is so time consuming. So the best way out is mail merging. You can send one letter to different people with different names, different addresses. So it is very easy. So what I'm going to do first, by the way, when we are using mail merging, we use two applications, and that is the Microsoft Excel and the Microsoft Word. So for me, I'm going to first show you how you can add data in the Microsoft Excel. So our Microsoft Excel, we get our Microsoft Excel here. We click on my document is already here, mail merge. So you can see I created my table. My information has first name Kantono, last name Ramla, address Mukono, first name Karume, second name, last name Kuluthumu Chireka, Nasanga, Nadia, Maya, Namale, Sabra, Mukono. So this is our information we are going to use for mail merging. So you can go on and write a letter, or if it is a letter, then you can write a certificate, whatever you want. So I'm going to show you how we come up with this. So this is how our document is looking like. You can write anything you want. Now for me, you can see RK Pharmaceuticals, Cantona Ramla Mukono Dia. We are pleased to invite you to attend our grand opening, which as the letter goes. So I want to send this to the people I have written in the Microsoft Excel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my mailings. Then I'll put my cursor here. So, hey, that is not where I instructed you to go. So here I'm going to click on insert mail field. First name, it is there. Then I'm also going to insert the last name. Are you all getting what I'm saying? According to what we did in the other table, then I'm also going to insert the address. So after that, what I'm going to do is start mail merge. I will select letters because they are letters. Then I'm going to edit the recipient list. This is our list. Ramla, Kantono, Karume, Kuluthu, Sabra, Namale. So I'll select OK. So after I'm going to say finish and merge. Edit individual documents. Yes. All merge records. All OK. Are you seeing just that there is no space? We didn't include space when we were doing that, but for you won't make this mistake, I bet. So this is how my letters are going to look like. You are saying here that the document is saying 1 out of 4. That means there are four what? 4 documents. Dear Karume Kuluthomu Chireka. You see how it is easy. Dear Nasanga Nadia Maya. Dear Namale Sabra Mukono. So this is how it happens. So that is how mail merge makes life easy. You see the time it has taken me to write four letters to four different people. So it saves you from a lot of work. It saves you from a lot of work and makes life easy. Thank you so much for watching me. See you in my next video. Bye bye.